Hello, this is Jennifer Lenny, and this is a quick tutorial to show you how to submit a handwritten image or an assignment such as a worksheet to Google Classroom. So you need to start out with a device, a telephone or a tablet that has a camera installed, and go ahead and install Google Classroom as well. Google Drive is another app that's worth having. Google Classroom, when you tap on it, you're going to log in with your student's regular username and password so that it's ready to go. From here, we are going to take an image of what we want to submit. So we are going to start with the camera app. And in this case, I am using my son's latest math worksheet. This is what I want to submit to his teacher for feedback. So I'm going to hover right above it with a still hand, take an image, and I can check my photo album and see that my image is there. From here, I go back to Google Classroom. Okay, and I am logged into my son's Google Apps for Ed domain. I am in his math classroom, and I'm going to go to the assignment where I want to submit the work. So I'm clicking on this numeracy assignment. Then I go down to the bottom where there is work assigned, and I tap up on my work. I'm going to add an attachment. From here, I'm going to pick a photo. In this case, I'm going to take the image of the worksheet that I just took, and it is going to upload. Okay, the attachment has now uploaded. You can see it right there. I can delete it if it's the wrong file, but when I'm ready, I can go ahead and tap Turn In. And again, Turn In. And my assignment or my son's math worksheet has now been submitted to his teacher. If for any reason I realize I've made a mistake, I can click Unsubmit, and the assignment would come back to me and me only. One thing to remember is that if you add an attachment this way in Google Classroom, the image or the worksheet or the file will also automatically go into the student's Google Drive, and it will appear in their classroom folder. Okay, so I hope that's helpful.